Mira qué bonito. Lo bonito es lo bonito. Me gusta. Calienta rápido y súper bonito.
Okay, so this kettle, I will say I like the colors, right? It has the kind of gold color, so it looks nice. I've got the white one. It feels very plasticky, I will say that. It is easy to clean. It pops open and you can just, you know, clean it off. It's on this base, so you just literally put it onto the base and plug it in. Now, I will say, here's what I don't like about it. It's not very sturdy. You see the base? It's kind of not very sturdy on the base itself. So that's the one thing I don't like about it. And then you just push to turn it on. But as you can see, it's not very sturdy. And it's simple to operate. I just don't like how not so sturdy it is. But it's very simple and it's elegant. It's nice. I like it. I like the colors, but it is plasticky. This is like a good secondary kettle, or one for a secondary home or an Airbnb or something like that, or a basement. Good secondary one, or for your kids' school, college kids.